What is up, everybody? Today we're continuing the S2000 seat refresh here. I went ahead and took off the back of this because this one's all scratched up and nasty, and need to sand it down, and we're gonna repaint it. And then I think I'm gonna take these off too, probably paint them as well, just because they're getting a little oxidized here. So we're gonna take those off. But welcome back to the OldSols channel. Hope everybody liked the soul searching podcast I did last time. I'm trying to line somebody up for next time, so I got another one of those episodes coming, but let's dig into this one. All right, so that wasn't so bad. Those are in there really tight though, but I think I'm gonna paint these red, just cause I got a white and red kind of theme going in this white Delsol. Just with the emblem and the Mugen bezel overlay. And there's just some red password JDM stitching in there and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna do with the red, but I think it'll look pretty cool. Because what's cool is you're gonna see this, you know, from back behind there, and it'll be red. So that might go well. Really, I have no idea. I've never done this, and I don't know how it looks. So we'll see. Alright, so I've been on this for about 20 minutes with the 220 grit right here. And it's feeling much better, but you can see where there were some big old scratches. Like right there. The edges are pretty rough. Right there. But it's looking a lot better, so I'm just going to keep at it with this 220. Just because I don't really want to go any more coarse than that, because it's really going to eat away at this. And then I'll probably finish it with a 400 or a 600 before I spray it, but it's looking better. All right, so I switched over to the 320, and it really helps a lot. I'm starting to get a lot of those scratches. Like there was a huge, there was a huge scratch right here, and it's almost gone. So that helps a lot, but you see there's some more there. But it's looking a lot better, at least a lot more smooth. But it'll look super nice once we actually paint it. But yeah, I think the 400, or I don't know, I might have some 600 down there. It'll really smooth it out and it'll really help, but I think these are gonna look nice. Makeshift spray booth, but yeah. I'm just gonna hit them with some red here, and we'll see what they look like. But if I don't like them, I can sand them down again. But I think I'm gonna like them, so we'll see. Alright, so I just hit him with the last of the spray paint that I wanted, and they're looking pretty good. I like them. They're just red. Red, red, red. There's nothing fancy about it. They're just red. So those will be cool. I am going to wait a little bit. Gonna get some heat gun on it just to get it all nice and baked in there. But then I'm gonna hit it with this, which is the clear coat that I really like, that I use on everything. And we'll see how shiny they go. So, yeah. Dope. Aight. These are looking good. Nice and covered. I'm going to spray them now with the clear. So, I'm not sure how much shinier they'll get because they're pretty shiny, but we'll see. 100% perfect. I got 2 clear coat spots that, I don't know, just didn't like the spot they were in, but it's February in Nebraska. We got a wonderful afternoon and it was a little bit hotter than usual, but not like super hot still, but that's all right. I can wet sand it and maybe do another coat of clear, see if I can't get that to fix, but I can at least show you guys how to look on the actual seat, but they look great. They actually did shine up quite a bit, but you can see right there. Oh, what? Just what? What happened? Ugh. So frustrating. It just, I don't know, just didn't like those 2 spots. I don't get it though, because the rest of it came out great. Really did. The rest of it really came out great. That's okay. We'll wet sand it though, but let's see what they look like. All right, let's see here. Yeah, that's gonna look pretty cool. That's gonna look pretty cool. So, oh, it's me. Yeah, that'll look super cool, I think. I really like that. It'll pop too. Let's see what this one looks like. From the front there, that looks pretty cool. Red, but yeah, I'm gonna do the backside now just to get it red too, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I don't know what to do with that. Redo it, I guess. That's okay. But that'll look pretty cool. Some kind of fun, but I think I'm just gonna wet sand that anyway. Get it all nice and smooth, you know? But it sure looks much nicer than it did before. That's just bothering me. Oh, man. That's okay, whatever. All right, well, the last thing left to do is I just want to hit this backside here, but yeah, other than that, I mean, you guys get the gist. You know what I mean? So, that's pretty dope. Nice little Sunday. I was just watching some golf there, but yeah. Those will turn out good. I'm gonna let this other one just kind of chill over here, and I'll get to redoing that, but that's all right. I still like it, but hope you guys had a good Sunday, and probably the next vlog after this one will be another soul searching. So like I said, I'm trying to pin somebody down on that, and I really enjoy those. I really enjoy talking to everybody on that, but all right guys, until next time, peace.